call on now, of course, our Board of Judges, Chairman of the Board of Judges, Sir Rogerson Dennis Fernandez, to announce the winner.
Okay, so palakpakan po muna natin yung ating mga bata. Pagkagaling po. Palakpakan natin ang ating mga daycare workers dito sa Baguio City. Ayan, so nahirapan po kami ni na ma'am sa pagpili ng ating Little Mr. and Missy Life. Okay, so okay, ang ating third runner-up. Ayan. Ang third runner-up ay the candidate number 3. And congratulations. Ang second runner-up ay the candidate number 1.
Go, Teo!
Basketball 2008.
Bitin na.
Sila ng Pasko. Alright, ang third runner-up para sa Little Miss Sila ng Pasko. Third runner-up, the candidate number 1.
Wow!
3.
Woo! May pag-asa si Sarah.
Ating Little Mr. and Miss Life ng Pasko 2008. Okay, unahin na natin yung ating Little Mr. Life ng Pasko 2008. Yan. Sino po sa kanilang dalawa? Okay, sino ang gusto nyo?
2!
Patingin?
2! Number 2!
Okay, una po namin babanggitin yung Little Mr. Life ng Pasko na. Automatically, yung hindi matatawag ang first runner-up. Okay, so yun pong mga magulang, pagkatawag po ng number, pwede pong umakyat sila para mag-assist para i-present po yung ating award. Alright, Little Mr. Life ng Pasko 2008, garnering an average score of 90.67. Little Mr. Life ng Pasko 2008 is candidate number 2.
Yay!
Okay, and of course, yung ating first runner-up, the candidate number 4. Congratulations!
Yay! You did it! Hi, my cave.
Okay. Yan. Dito medyo nahirapan talaga yung judges natin. Ang point difference lang ay 0.67.
Wow.
Okay. So, tatawagin din natin, unang tatawagin yung mananalong Little Miss Life ng Pasko 2008.
4.
Okay? With an average score of 89.67. Ibig sabihin, 89 yung first runner-up. So, ang ating Little Miss Life ng Pasko 2008 is candidate number... Yeah, Tama yung marami. Candidate number 2.
Okay.
And